Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on choosing which apps can send you notifications on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Notifications and Focus. From the list of apps on the left, choose an app. Then tap the toggle to the left of Allow Notifications to turn notifications for that app on or off. When the toggle is blue, notifications for that app are on, and when it's grey, notifications are switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.